Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you are new. So in today's video, I have a food haul. I made a quick run to Kroger because I thought, well, since today is Tuesday, we haven't had tacos in a while, at least not made at home. So I said, I guess we'll have Taco Tuesday. So I said, well, let me run into Kroger and pick up a couple of things. So I got 2 packs of these 85% lean packs of ground turkey, 1 pound, and they were on sale for, let's see here, they were $3.99 on sale. So I guess that wasn't too bad, okay? Because I think otherwise they would be $4 and I want to say $4.47. So they were $3.99. And I got some Mexican style blend cheese, shredded cheese. And I thought this would be nice because it has Monterey Jack, mild cheddar, queso, quesadilla, and asadero cheeses. Okay, so I thought that would be good. I got some lettuce. This spring mix I already have because this is just, we talked about this before in my previous videos. This is just no nutrition at all. So I thought I would mix in a little spring mix because the spring mix does contain, some baby greens. And I do actually, if I don't want to do that, I always keep spinach in the fridge. So I mix the two together. The thing about this whole list all together, and I'm just gonna jump to this part. This avocado was $2. Could you believe that? The avocado was $2. Look at that, guys. $2 for that avocado. I couldn't believe it. I thought that was like really ridiculous, but I bought it anyway because I like to have some avocado. I already have the taco mix, so that's already taken care of. I bought that when I was at Costco about a month ago. And so I love this butter, this shea butter. You can put it on your face, you can wash your face with it, because it's just so mild. And it's, I think it really makes my face and skin nice and soft. So I picked that up. Then I bought this pumpkin Gouda cheese. Doesn't that look good? So we're gonna try that. And I got some mild taco sauce. And I got a salad for my husband. He can take to work tomorrow. Then tomorrow night, we will have the salmon, okay? So all of this for that quick little shopping trip. You see now, don't count this because I already had that. All of this little bit. Well, look at this, guys, was $68. Can you believe it? Now they said my total savings was $3.10. I'm like, Dad, that is expensive. So a lot of times, I go to Walmart Supercenter. I've been doing that recently. Walmart is not my favorite for meat, fish, or produce, but for pretty much for everything else. I mean, you can't beat Walmart. But, you can't always go to Walmart. And I didn't want to be in a long line, so I thought I would pop into Kroger and pop out. But I mean, this is what it is. Everything is expensive. So I just wanted to share my little shopping food haul with you guys. I hope you guys have an amazing day. And I'm going to be coming back to talk to you like I did last year about shopping for Thanksgiving. So for all of you who are hosting and all of you who are taking a covered dish to a friend or relative's house, I'm going to be speaking with you guys on shopping tips for the Thanksgiving holiday, okay? So you guys stay tuned for that video. And again, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Be kind to everyone. Bye-bye.